Namaskar. Welcome to Ancient Wisdom. Today we are going to start with a Zen like story. Why did I say Zen like? Because the story, for those who know the background, have a great meaning, and nothing at all for those who don't know the background. For them it is a puzzle, and for those who know the background would enjoy it. Nevertheless, we are going to go into the detail of the story in the rest of the episode. So let us start. There was this guru to whom his disciple came, and the disciple was disturbed. The disciple said, Gurudev, doesn't matter how hard I try, my ego just refuses to leave me. Ego meaning ahankar, the feeling that I am so and so. As it is said in Konkani, how kontu jana mare? Do you know who I am? That kind of feeling. Guru was calm and he said, next time you go to a hotel, the waiter who brings you water, address him as Eknath. Story over. Did you get the point of the story? Why, by calling a waiter Eknath, would ego vaporize? There is a story to this. Sant Eknath was a great saint in the 15th century. He was the one who rewrote or researched Jnaneshwari. And he was an extremely compassionate as well as erudite person. In those days, doing a Kashiwari, that is pilgrimage to Kashi, was considered to be a life's goal, and it used to be a very arduous journey, especially for people from poor background or even middle class background, because in those days there were very few roads. The route used to be through forest, and those who were wealthy could afford an horse, an ox cart, or a palki. But the common people would be just walking. And also where to stay at night. There could be wild animals on the way. There could also be dacoits. And so the journey was full of dangers. But still, people used to go for the pilgrimage. And on one such time, Sant Eknath went to Kashi for the pilgrimage. And then he took a pot of water from the Ganga to be delivered at his native place for the Abhishek for the Devata there in the village temple. And he carried that water on his shoulder. It is called as Kaudi. He walked all the way back to Maharashtra and to Alandi. And when he was nearing his village, he was walking through a long deserted path or deserted ground. Those were the days of hot season, and there was no water in sight. And when he was very close to his village, he came across a donkey who was almost dying of thirst. The donkey was prone on the ground, was shaking his legs, and was almost in the throes of death because of lack of water and the hot sun. Eknath didn't think twice. He just took the cowdy which had the Ganga Jal which he had specially brought from Kashi after a long and arduous journey, and he put that Ganga Jal in the mouth of the dying donkey. The donkey drank that water and was revived, and Eknath came home empty handed. That is the story. And now you understand why it will cause your ego to vaporize if you call the water bearer as Eknath. Namaskar.